It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
This New Food Friday is coming to you on the road. We are currently sitting in some traffic. In Canada, we found some Dutch gourmet mozzarella. So Old Dutch has a couple gourmet flavors, and this is one of them. So we'll give them a try. It'll be something fun for us to do while sitting in the car. All right, you want to try the first one?
No.
It's cheese flavored. Give it a try.
Cash cream
Mama.
on the left.
You're not going to try? All right, well, we'll have to wait for Emmett's response then. We'll give him
What
a
are we
try.
trying?
Mozzarella Dutch gourmet chips.
Ooh, those are delicious.
All right, give them a try.
Cash cream on the left.
Mine tastes like Swiss cheese,
Like Swiss cheese?
which normally I don't like, but these are so good.
It's cheesy. Well, I know one thing about cheesy. It's not easy to eat cheesy.
What do you think, James? Tell me loud.
Delicious. It tastes like mozzarella.
All right, Britt, give them a try.
That's so good.
Do they taste like mozzarella?
Not really. No, let me try another one.
I like the texture, nice and light and flaky.
That one did, definitely.
Oh, do they taste
one not
different? They have kind of a Parmesan cheese flavor. They're good. If somebody else bought them, I would eat them. But I don't think I'd buy them again. They're not good enough to buy again. Other flavors are much better, but they are tasty. Give it a thumbs up. But I think other ones are much better, so I would choose something else if I had the option. Where's your chip?
In there.
Oh. In your cup holder? Are you going to try it?
No.
It tastes like cheese. How do you like it? Yeah? Is that a good kind of chip? Ooh, you did get a stamp, didn't you? That's awesome. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Double thumbs up.
There you have it. Dutch gourmet mozzarella on the road.